Okay, so let's talk Stoicism. As you know, Stoicism is controversial. It depends on your culture and education and exposure. I want to talk today about enjoyment. What is enjoyment? There's no such thing as enjoyment. Enjoyment is a creation that is personalized, and it is based on your history and your experience. So what is enjoyment for you it will not be enjoyment for me. If you are in a small culture or group and you've all been exposed to a kind of suffering, your enjoyment might be the same. In terms of your expectation for enjoyment might be the same. But generally speaking, there's no such thing as enjoyment for everybody. I mean, I haven't lived in different countries. I can tell you that in each society, what is termed as enjoyment differs. In a place like Canada, when people really want to enjoy, what people will do is to travel. They love to travel a lot. When people are enjoying in Nigeria, where I was born, the idea of enjoyment is not traveling necessarily. Most people want to buy a very expensive car and want to live in a very expensive area. And when they travel, the idea of enjoyment is to take photos, buy things from there, to come and show people back home that, hey, you know, I went there. So the buying of the car and the traveling and the living in an expensive area as an enjoyment is because the society itself is an oppressive society. So we grew up knowing that enjoyment for us is about showing the other person that, hey, I'm bigger than you are, I'm more powerful than you are, I'm more successful than you are. And that gives you a kind of gratification and enjoyment. Even when your colleagues or your friends see you in a new car or an expensive car, they'll say, hey, you're enjoying. But in this kind of part of the world, people don't see that as enjoyment. So there's no such thing as enjoyment. One last thing, if you are able to reduce what you term as enjoyment, you're going to be a wealthier and a happier person. For a lot of people, like myself, enjoyment is peace of mind. It's not expensive at all. So I'm not under any pressure to buy any big car or have to travel or have to show off to anybody. And peace of mind is something everybody can look forward to. If I'm able to have that, I sleep well, wake up well, happy, that's enjoyment. And well, for me, that's enjoyment.